Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download, install and use Cloudflare Warp VPN that is absolutely free on your Windows or any other platform that you are using. So right now I have installed this Warp VPN on my Windows 10. So this is the interface of this Warp VPN. This is absolutely free VPN with unlimited bandwidth of your internet connection. So before using that, let me show you how to download, install and set up this software on your Windows or any other platform.
Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos.
So what you're gonna do, first you need to go to your browser and in a Google search Warp. Simply search that. Then you need to go to the website that is at the top, warp https://1.1.1 Cloudflare. You need to go to this website. So this is the interface of this website. This will let you install this software on any platform, whether you are on Mac, Google Play Store, Mac OS, Windows or Linux. So right now I am on Windows, so you need to simply click on Windows. So the download pop-up will show. You can simply download that. So I have already downloaded and installed, so this was just for the demonstration. So you need to simply download and install this software. After downloading and installation, you will see this software being installed on your desktop on your Windows. So then after, you need to right click on this software and click Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. You will see the icon of this software on the Windows toolbar. It will show you Warp. Right now the status is disconnected. Your internet is not private. On this gear icon, when you click on that, you will see the option of Simple Cloudflare, and the other one is 1.1.1.1 Cloudflare with Warp. So I will suggest you to use this option 1.1.1 with Warp. It will give you more protection. Your internet will be private 100%. So I will suggest you to use this one. Then after, you need to simply click on Connect. It will show you status connecting. So right now you can see the Warp is connected. The status being connected shown. Your internet is private. After that, you need to open your browser and you can access any of the blocked website that is blocked in your country. So friend, this was the demonstration. This was the tutorial about this software. This is really amazing software. It will give you an unlimited internet bandwidth of your VPN connection. So you can use this VPN on any platform, whether you are on Windows, Mac, Linux or any other platform. So this was all about this video. I hope you guys like this video. For more coming videos, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.